Global Warming and Climate Change Essay. Essay on Global Warming and Climate Change for Students and Children in English. Global warming and climate change are two closely related issues that are causing significant environmental and social impacts on our planet. In this essay, we will explore these concepts, including their causes, consequences, and potential solutions. Global warming. Global warming refers to the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature. This increase is primarily caused by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, which release large amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap more heat from the sun, causing the planet to warm up. The consequences of global warming include rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and changes in ecosystems, including species extinction and shifts in the distribution of species. Climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term changes in the Earth's climate system, including temperature, precipitation, and atmospheric conditions. Climate change is caused by natural factors such as volcanic activity and changes in solar radiation, as well as human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. The consequences of climate change include melting glaciers and ice caps, rising sea levels, changes in precipitation patterns, and more frequent and severe weather events. Causes of global warming and climate change. The primary cause of global warming and climate change is the release of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, primarily from the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. Other human activities, such as agriculture and transportation, also contribute to greenhouse gas emission. Natural factors such as volcanic activity and changes in solar radiation also contribute to climate change. Consequences of global warming and climate change. The consequences of global warming and climate change are significant and far-reaching. They include rising sea levels, melting glaciers and ice caps contribute to rising sea levels, leading to flooding and coastal erosion. More frequent and severe weather events. Global warming and climate change can cause more frequent and severe weather events such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts. Changes in ecosystems. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can cause changes in ecosystem, including the extinction of species and changes in the distribution of species. Human health impacts. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can also have significant impacts on human health, such as increased risk of heat stress and waterborne diseases. Economic impacts. The impacts of global warming and climate change can be costly, with increased disaster response and recovery cost, infrastructure damage, and crop failure. Mitigating global warming and climate change. Mitigating global warming and climate change requires a collective effort from governments, businesses, and individuals. Solutions include reducing greenhouse gas emission. Reducing greenhouse gas emission is the most effective way to mitigate global warming and climate change. This can be achieved through energy efficiency, renewable energy, and promoting sustainable transportation and agriculture. Adapting to climate change. Adapting to the impacts of global warming and climate change, such as building sea walls and developing drought-resistant crops, can help reduce their impacts. Promoting international cooperation. Addressing global warming and climate change requires international cooperation and coordination. Conclusion: global warming and climate change are two significant environmental and social issues that require urgent attention. Addressing their causes and consequences will require collective effort and international cooperation. By reducing greenhouse gas emissions and adapting to the impacts of global warming and climate change, we can assure a sustainable future for generations to come.